right, good morning. Actually, it's good afternoon. So it's the week before Thanksgiving, actually the Saturday, and in November we're doing a hike we haven't done in a couple of years. It's called Waterfall Canyon. It's up in Ogden, Utah, and we brought Clark with us. This will be his first hike up in this area. Now this is a beautiful canyon. Now it's going to be cold up there. I'm only in shorts. Whoa. Sarah has her winter coat on.
No, just a rain jacket.
And a rain jacket.
Yeah.
And then Korea gloves.
Mm-hmm.
I was there last week, and I got her some gloves that are made in Korea. So we follow this, and then it curves left. It's right up here. It goes up that canyon. And it snowed a couple weeks ago, so we will be hitting snow higher as we go up. And it should be probably okay to walk on. It's been packed down since then, so we didn't bring like any boots or whatever. Oh, yeah. But you could bring boots. May not be a bad idea.
Come on, Clark.
So this road down here, so we're all on private property. Yeah. And I forget top of my head who owns it. But anyways, yeah, they own the land where the waterfall is. We pass underneath that little fence. It says you're on private property. Mm-hmm. But that little road down there is where the guy takes an ATV and he drives it pretty close to where the waterfall is. And so you can pay him, and he does tours of his land. So he has a zip line up here. There are 3 routes of a via ferrata, which means iron road in Italian, and it's a bunch of rebar that's bent into the shapes of like rungs, like on the ladder. And so you can pay, and the guide will have you go up and down the cliffs. You wear a harness that has 2 carabiners that you move and drag as you climb up higher and higher. Wow. And anyways, Peterson is the last name. Anyways, so he reached out to a friend of ours many years ago, and so my friend, if you know him from previous canyoning adventures, his name is Jeff Guest, and you can look up his YouTube channel, Jeff Guest, and look up Waterfall Canyon, and you can find our via ferrata. You can see us rappelling from Waterfall Canyon, or they call it Malin's Waterfall, and that's a 300-foot rappel. And so we went up there many years ago, and so he had us ride in the back of his ATV. We drove all the way up there, and we hiked to the top of the waterfall and rappelled 300 feet down, because he was looking for like a good route, and he was trying to recruit Jeff and I to guide people down that waterfall adventure. Cool. And so we have that filmed of us rappelling it down. Yeah, anyways, so there's a lot of cool things you can do in this canyon. Yep, so this is where the Bonneville Shoreline Trail meets up with the higher Bonneville Shoreline Trail. So we're not going left, but we just keep going up. Ooh. Yeah, so what's inside there is that he put that metal crate there, and the guide would put cold beverages inside there.
Oh, that's cool.
And then lock it up, so when they get done with their hike, or when they start their hike to do the via ferrata or whatever, they could grab some drinks on the way up or down.
That's smart.
So, and then right up here, we'll pass this just a little bit, but this is where search and rescue practices on this small little wall. You just bolt it up. There's a small via ferrata as well. It's only like 10 feet, 15 feet. There's even a zip line that search and rescue uses to yeah, just kind of practice on this wall here. But you want to go left though. Ooh, my hands are getting cold. It's gonna be cold to film. Clark, jump up here. Clark, come on. Up here, Clark, up here. Good boy, good jump. Yeah, Sarah was just mentioning that this is Clark's first snow hike. Not his first time seeing snow, but it is our first snow hike with him. But this is a all uphill hike. There might be a few sections where it's kind of flat-ish, but it's all uphill. Just as a FYI, it's still a very family-friendly hike. Just if you got kids or young ones, or you're not the best hiker, yeah, just take your time and you'll be just fine. Oh, but in my backpack I do got some chocolates and some candies, so in case it does get too low, I can pop some candy and raise my blood sugar up. It's good to see. It's not good to see graffiti alive and well in the canyon.
Oh, it's crazy water.
It's a frozen waterfall there, Clark.
Okay, go get it. Go get that water.
What's over there, Clark? What's over there? You gonna follow me, Clark? You gonna follow me? It's like the wood floor at the house, huh? You can do it. Put your claws out.
Good job, Clark. You can do this, Clark.
Come right here. Yeah, good boy. Good boy, good boy. Yeah, come on, come on.
Good boy, Clark.
You almost made it.
You can try it again, Clark.
There's the waterfall, you can see it. Not too far from here. It's right through the trees. Yeah, that's frozen over solid. If you slipped on that, you slide all the way back down. It'd be a fun slide there. Pretty funny. That was a frozen icicle back there.
Yeah.
And look, there's the waterfall right in front of us.
Whoa.
In the springtime, this pipe is here because it's just so much water. Let's see, you walk across it. Man, look at that. I'd recommend not getting too close to that as it's melting and it could calve off.
Okay.
And ice chunks could fall off pretty easily, and that would definitely squash your brains out or go right through you. There we go. Little baby one Still would hurt though. All right, made it back down through without any incident. Brr, his hands are red.
How many take Clark?
I'm okay. I got him. Oh, before I forget, blood sugar was 75 at the waterfall. So it dropped down just a little bit. It's kind of where I was expecting. So far, so good. Is this a yummy tree? Is that a yummy tree? All that moss? I know, it's time for your lunch, huh? Back to the second bridge. It was a cold adventure back up there. Now it's like it's winter up there, but right now it's like fall. It's like 30 degrees difference right here.
Exactly.
Oh, much warmer. It's about 2.5 miles round trip here, and it's taken us an hour and 40 minutes. Now, we did talk to a guy who was from Cincinnati, Ohio. And this was his second day in Utah. He was like, "Oh, I'm going to go explore a waterfall and climb up in the mountains." So that's what he's doing. I thought that's pretty cool. So we talked to him for a little bit, gave him a few suggestions. So yeah, round trip, about an hour and 45 minutes. Uh-oh, doggy.
Oh, another border collie. Couple border collies.
Oh, you're scared, Clark, huh? Hi, border collie. Hi, border collie. Hi, border collie. 2 border collies. So, what'd you think of that hike? That adventure today?
It's beautiful, beautiful. I like the frozen waterfall. That was
Yeah.
pretty cool.
And we saw a piece of the waterfall that fell down, actually. I didn't film it, but that was a big piece.
Yeah, so don't get too close.
Yeah, don't get too close. And Clark did generally okay. Clark, come on. Oh, Clark just stepped in a fresh dog poop on his left paw. Nice, Clark. We'll have to rewind that so everyone can see that. All right, well, that's it from us from Waterfall Canyon in Ogden, Utah. Took us 1 hour and 45 minutes and 2.83 miles round trip.